Right now we're going for an extremely high win rate back test. So there's the rules. Every single thing needs to get ticked off. We're going to do a 2 hour slot as well, so each, actually no, we're going to do 3 hours, so each trading session 12:30, that means we're going to go to 3. Actually, I'll put them in after. So this low main target. Not enough data on this. Like this, because we look like we might invert. It's not really a gap. Alright, we have inverted that, but we are in a 4 hour gap. So we might not come higher, but we also might come higher. So it's all going to depend on how we react inside of this gap here. Because we have inverted this to the left as well. So actually I feel like we could be coming higher to this 50%. That would make a lot of sense. So potentially looking for a long up in here. We just took this internal liquidity, so let's see if we can get a nice reaction off of it. Want something quite sharp as well. Let's see. Just like that. Okay. Wait, it came straight back up. Is that a big enough gap? First question. Not really. So let's wait until we invert the higher gap. It's not a super obvious gap. This is going to be really nice if we can invert it now. Okay, no inversion yet, which is fine. Could get it again. This looks better actually. I'll have a bigger gap this time. 15-minute, nice. 3-minute, nice. Alright, let's see if we can at least go to this high. There. Alright, clear joint. I'm trying to critic is higher.
I'm going to get in.
Maybe two.
Alright, I'm with you, leave me.
Okay. Okay, so let's have a quick. Huh? Okay. Alright, so we've got inversion on the left of a 30-minute gap. Inversion of an hourly gap as well. We haven't hit 50%, so that all says higher. We've got 5 minute structure, bang, took that, faked everyone out there, and now we're coming back. Got that. Yeah, discount. Alright, everything's ticked off for that trade. So let's see. I'm just interested to see if I stick to all the rules, how well we can come off here. Bang. And that's 1 off the bat. So that's 1 for 1. Alright, cool. So, could have had a runner. Could have definitely had a runner. But we're all out at the moment. So, still drawing equities higher. So, with this 1 minute shit now. Alright, what's going on here? Why are we coming further down? Don't like that. Alright. So, for now, we've got a questionable bias really, because I think we're still going higher, but we could be coming for this low for now. 15 minutes just inverted, 5 minutes inverted as well. So it does look like that 30-minute. Does look like that low is going to come, so we could be coming to these gaps here. Let's see if there's going to be a trade shaped towards that. Surely we're not going to start buying all of a sudden now. We got 3-minute gap holding. That was the reaction in the 3-minute gap. It's not enough, just a 3-minute gap. I think it'll. Okay. Took that high, okay. Damn. All that damage from a 3-minute gap holding. Did not expect that. Alright. So back to 15. Started trading at 12:30. So this would be 2 hours. So let's see. 30-minute inversion. We shouldn't really expect a short here. I don't see a short. Okay. So now we could expect a short. Would I want to wait for more market structure? Potentially. Yeah, I think I would. Because at this point we're just waiting for it to turn around. Alright, 4 hours coming all the way back up. We do have a 1 hour gap here. Let's see. Okay, let's see how we react in this 1 hour gap. Damn. Okay, do we wait for more confirmation here? Daddy says lower. I do think that will go, but can we wait for more of a confirmation? Okay, glad I didn't do that. You don't just want to try and catch a falling knife there. So we are expecting a turnaround here, but we also need to wait for some market structure to change as well. So we've now come into that gap, which we're turning around. Alright, so next low should be there, but let's see if we can get like a pullback and a confirmation. Alright, so that got hit. Liquidity taken, inversion higher. I wouldn't want to take this long either. That's 2 hours. Let's go 2.5 just to see. Alright, no, that's not. It's done. So one trade complete. Today's a Tuesday. Let's see what we got. So daily coming up to this gap here. Four agrees. It's that high. Got another high there. One hour looks like it might agree very soon. Although there is an untapped 1 hour gap down there. So that could be our bearish idea. 30-minute. Have inverted. So 30 minutes says higher. 15 says higher. So if we're coming higher, where could we go in order to get higher? That's respected, that's respected. We need to make some kind of internal market structure. Okay. So that's the daily. No, it's not. That's target 1. We still shouldn't see a turnaround. We should keep seeing higher prices. Not looking for any short model yet. I don't like that. No, I don't like that at all. Equal lows. Although this could be a nice setup towards that high. Fast inversion into a 15-minute gap. Okay, let's see if we can tick all of this. Okay, we do have a very clear high time frame, significant liquidity taken. I wouldn't say significant. Delivery from failure, gotta go, yes. Alright, we're missing 2 key elements here, although that should very much go. I just can't take it because we're missing some elements. So let's see if this saves us or not. It does save us. Look at that. To be fair, that didn't even invert. invalid trade anyway. So where would 50% be? So I need a trade under these, which is not going to be very likely. Damn, that's a very nice V shape. Technically, it is 50% of that range. So let's have a look. Clear draw, yeah. Significant liquidity. I'd say it's a bit more now. Still wouldn't call it significant. We did take a lot of lows there. I don't think I can still press that there. And premium, that's a questionable one. That looks very nice, I'm not gonna lie. I really think that'll go 3.9. That would be a break-even point. Now I take it. I can't because it hasn't ticked all the boxes, but yeah. It's just momentum with that one. Alright, so we are still coming lower. Is this 1 hour rejected? What time did we start trading? 8:30. I think I've probably got. This makes no sense not to hit that high. The daily fair value gap is 100% going to hit. So behind a 15, we have come to this 50% level now. So this is going to be interesting now. What kind of move we can get. Alright, there's our first inversion. I think I like this 5 minute. It's not really safe to take yet. Got an inversion and it's very tiny. 5 still hasn't inverted yet. An inversion here would be nice. Okay, I could potentially take this. Don't like that we just about closed it though. I do one more candle. Alright, equal highs, I don't quite like that. So I'd go break even there. We've got clear draw, significant taking, delivery, yeah, clear, yeah, premium discount, yeah. I very much like this. I think this will go. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna have to go break even at that high though, annoyingly. Oh, actually, hold up. We haven't actually. I think this will go though. That should have been break even. I'll put it as break even. Okay, I'm just not gonna class that. But that's the trading session over as well. Good trade to be fair. Yeah, made a lot of sense. Would have been an annoying break even, but yeah, what it is. Alright, skip to the next session. So we're still in this range. I haven't really gone anywhere since that. Just been facking about. Okay. So the target's still higher, I would say. Oh, we do have an hourly gap here, and we're accumulating very heavily. So we could come to this hourly. Very interesting, we might invert this, and if we do, then we might just come to the hourly gap. So liquidity is still higher. We've got this gap as well, so we're just really gonna wait to see what happens between these two gaps. I think we might be going lower though. I see. Okay, no, looks like we might be going higher. Yeah, okay, fair. So that wouldn't have been a trade for me anyway, because significant enough liquidity hasn't been taken. That's just a continuation from that last trade. Alright, so target's hit. This is a daily gap. Fast time around, we might invert this gap. Let's see. Doesn't look like we're interested in turning around yet. If we do invert it, we're gonna go to there. 6,640. Ooh, okay. We're literally about to turn around here. Alright, we could get a reaction here. Hourly. Got a lot of bullish price action that we're gonna need. A very convincing candle. It's not something I'm gonna take yet. That's quite annoying. Really? All this way back down. I haven't got a fucking clue where we're going now. So that doesn't make sense that we didn't take this low. So could we come back for that low? Or a 15-minute hold? Okay, this is a madness. Right. 15-minute hold. 5 minutes invited both sides. I just can't confidently take this either way. I guess that makes sense as a V-shape. Recovery. Oh yeah, of course, massive inversion there. And there's... Right, next day. No trade that session then. Oh, not the week. Let's go back on the day. So we rejected that, but we are still pushing. Wow, coming back to a high we've already put in. Is that right? Oh no, we just matched. So we made an equal high. Okay. Right. So that's bound to go. 1 hour. Still in that gap. We're gonna wait to see if we can invert that. Oh, we have inverted that. Okay, cool. So bullish, very bullish, very bullish. Very nice move here. Kind of mad looking price action. 5 came down, which was that. Now we are looking to invert higher. I don't think I'm going to catch this higher towards the target. So there's target 1, which we expect. We still don't expect a turnaround, so I think a short here would be silly. Okay. Still rejecting this 1 hour gap now, which is interesting. I don't think it will last. No idea what doing liquidity right now. Still don't like an idea of a short. Got no backing on any other time frames here. 5 minutes looks horrible. And we have an inversion. Not enough liquidity for me. Good momentum, but not enough liquidity taken. Alright, 5 minutes invited, so this should be the next draw of these highs. There, that should be the next draw. We do have a 1 minute that was going to hold us down there. Let's see what happens in here. We get an inversion here, I might like it. No, at some bigger time frame stuff. Big accumulation. This does look pretty bearish. Looking like we're probably gonna go for this low now. Let's see. Now we get an inversion higher. Okay. Great. That could have been an entry, but not worth taking, I guess. Coming towards that high now. Okay. Faking people out just before. Alright, let's see if we can get something here. 50%. Took. Is it enough liquidity? Maybe, maybe not. Okay. So hard time for target, very clear. Delivery, yeah, clear. Yeah, premium discount, yeah. Break even will be at that high. Only questionable one would be, is then that enough people lost in order for us to win? I don't love it. I'll wait for 3 minutes to invert. Oh, fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Alright, there we go. Too late. I guess it was significant enough, wasn't it? We took that, we took that. I don't know. Alright, we're turning around pretty heavily here. Let's see. 5 minutes, we've just fucking invited back up. Big V-shape recovery. So this should be the next high. I don't think we're going to get a trade to it. I think it'll go before I can get in on it. Yeah. Next session. Alright, so now we're in this daily gap. I'll have to check this weekly, see. Okay, I think we should possibly start selling from here. Although we have a lot of old highs that could get taken. We got that. We got that. We got that. There's a lot of targets. Let's see what the market structure says. Oh, okay, this is tough, man. Alright, 5 minute rejecting. No gaps for us. Very nice momentum. Still no gaps. More nice momentum, but still no gaps. Ooh, okay. What do we think about this, folks? I actually quite heavily like this. But targets there, that would be break even. At least that high, so it would be break even. Is this gap big enough? 23 to 16 yet? We've got our initial sweep. Good momentum and respect here and disrespected that. To be honest though, safe TP would be these highs. 15's holding. 30-minute has inverted. 3 minutes holding. Oh, it's annoying because that should be the break-even target there. TP at the lowest hanging fruit. I just think that's just pointless, isn't it? Realistically, entry is going to be that all of it into that to high. See if we can get like a small pullback. Okay. Fucking hell. It's a monster of a pullback. Alright, at least we're in on this though now. Ugh, do I even want to take that now? 3 minute failed. Oh wait, 3 minute. Would have held. Okay, I would have failed. Interesting. Three minutes still holding, 5 minutes still holding, 15 still holding. That gap's tiny. I can't count that as a gap. This should definitely go there now. See if I can take this 3 minute gap. So that's closed now, so I can take this. It's a horrible risk reward though. Useless, I'm gonna have to wait for a pullback. Okay. Better. Alright, let's take this. Stop loss is gonna be 6, 7:30. Order is not complete. Why? Oh. Stop loss isn't going to be 6, 7:30, so it's going to be that. Initial balance, risk amount 200. Alright, let's see. I don't usually take these 3 minutes, but I think it'll go. Go. Break even. Possibly scale a bit actually now. Just to close. Take a bit of a win. Alright, cool. Annoying, but that's what happens. It's 2 for 2. No losses yet. Short setup. down. Okay. So looking like 3 minute inverted, 15 minutes inverted, 5 minutes holding. So this could be a short to this equal lows here. Makes sense. 15-minute rejected. Let's see. Equal highs. Questionable one. No, that's the break-even point, so I wouldn't take that. But I do think them lows are going to go. Okay, low went. I'm forgetting the bias at this point. Hourly gap. Okay, we got some. To be fair, this could be the start of a big sell. Look at that. Hello, Catson. Kitty catty. Ooh, right, okay, 5 minute. Nice reaction after 5. Respect into it there. Invited there, very nice. Mm, 30 minutes says we should be coming to this low. I think the hour says the same as well. 15 says maybe higher. 5 minutes says maybe higher. I'd want to wait for at least these 5-minute inversions to be able to go long. If not, then we don't take a long. It does look good though. Alright, 5-minute inversion complete. So this high should go next. See if we can frame a trade towards it. Oh, it's just tickling. Tickling, teasing. Ooh, liquidity sweep. Is that enough? Hell fucking no. Let's see if I miss out on it though, because I think I will. It saves me. Okay. To be fair, that wasn't 50% either though, to be fair. That is 50% though, let's see. Clear joint liquidity. Pretty clear, yeah. Delivery, good momentum, appearing discount. TP at the lowest hanging fruit, which that would be. Oof, I don't know. Guess it would have to be that. I don't know about this. I like the momentum, but I'm just not convinced. I don't think enough liquidity's been taken, but it kind of has. Alright, I'm gonna take this trade and I'm gonna actually put break even there. It's a big gap to try and close. 5 minutes holding, 15 minutes holding, reason to go higher, berry V shape. No real reason to go lower either, other than yeah, I've got to take it. I've got to. Stop loss is gonna be 6, 5, 8, 8. Do I want this? I'm taking it. It might lose though. that is break even at 50%. Don't think I'm gonna scale any there. It's not enough. Okay, good break even. No, break even didn't save us. Fuck. Clear Jordan now. I should just shoot straight to that high. Ooh, it's giving me a second chance. Let's see. 3 minute inverted, 1 minute's inverted. Why are we coming this far back? We might come and take this low. Unless we get some crazy momentum off, which we do get. Don't think I want to take this. It's not clear enough. It should go though. Could I be looking at trades in this? It's like a horrible fucking... I could take something here if we invert. No. Alright, I feel like we might come and take these lows. Very weird price action going on right now. I think we're gonna come take that low. No inversion back up. Damn. That's just another one of them where you'd be so pissed. That close to TP and it just turns around. Oh no, what the fuck. All them highs are just waiting to be snatched. Alright, 15 minutes inverted. 5 minutes has a secret gap, which has now been tapped into and inverted. Let's see if this 5 minute inverts. No. Next session. Alright, daily is holding. So, got a massive gap to try and fill here. This isn't good. I mean, we should fill it. We have come to 50% of it though. Right, there's obviously the next target. 1 minute gap. Very doubtful we'll get a trade towards that though. Oh, we might get literally a login trade. Oh no, don't like that at all. Probably will go there. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Anywhere we could come back up to up here. Maybe this. Maybe that. You know what price is like, fucking teasing us at the stop sign. I wouldn't take a long towards that, but let's see. 1 minute. Still wouldn't take this if it inverted. Alright, 5 minutes inverted now, so we actually could be coming to this high as well as this high, coming towards that gap. Let's see. 5 minutes inverted. 3 minute has just about inverted. 15 minute has inverted. Well, it was never a 15 minute anyway. Let's see. Can we frame a trade that way? No. Okay. 5 minute is holding. Okay. Faked out. Still wanna go higher. I think we still go higher. Oh, this is just horrible price action. I don't know if we go higher, to be honest. It's not a bad short. I'm not sure where we're going here. Equal lows. Yeah, low got taken. It made sense, that was the bigger draw. This was just a what if. It took enough money there. I went. It's fine. No, you can't know. You could never know that. Oh, this is horrible price action, man. It's just one of them. Are we looking for longs here? I don't know. Honestly, I've not got a single clue where we're going next. Could be this high, but I don't know. Alright, it might be that high. Still don't know. Need some more. That's an annoying move because I quite like that. When we just accumulate there like that. We just haven't left this whole range for ages, and then we break out. And it instantly invert back in. But I don't have a clear draw on liquidity right now, so I can't take it. And there we go, that saved us. Again, I ain't taking it. I guess that was a much better momentum. 5 it could invert. Not yet. Still hasn't. Ugh, just useless fucking price action, man. Okay. Does look like we're gonna come to. Oh, this 3 minute hasn't broken it either. Does look like we're gonna come to that high though. 3 minutes still holding. 5 minutes now holding. I got no fair value ups to take up higher though. Alright, there we go. I'm getting pretty confident now that that's the draw. I think the 3 minutes should have invited that, no it still hasn't. Oh my god, this 3 minute thing is absolutely smashing people. What the fuck, that 3 minute? That's mental. Alright, this should take the low. Oh, I'm knackered after that, I'm not gonna lie. An hour of backtesting and I didn't take a single loss. So I just gotta stick to my rules. Wait for a clear draw, wait for enough liquidity.